This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys. Now let's start from data table. From data table. So in yesterday's class, we have started with from pop-up window. Pop-up window means which suddenly pops up when you are working on some application. Okay. So now we go for data table. So data table looks like an Excel sheet which is available inside the QTP. So now see here, I'll show you how our data table looks like. So just double click on your Oracle VirtualBox. Click on start. See this, so this is how our QTP looks like. So go to view, go to data table. So this is how our data table looks like. So data table looks like an Excel sheet which is available inside the QTP, which is available inside the QTP. So now what I would like to do is I would like to pass the data into the test script by passing the data from this data table. So here in this method, we are executing the same test script for one or more number of times by passing the data from the data table. So data table looks like an Excel sheet which is available here inside the QTP. So I will enter pass some value here in this global sheet which is in the data table. So just double click on it. The name of the column here is agent. Okay, just double click on the name of the column here is password. So enter the agent name. So let's say enter some agent name here and then password is Mercury. And enter some other agent name here and then password is Mercury. Enter some other agent name and then the password here is Mercury. So now the same script I would like to execute. How many times my script will execute? For 3 times because I have given 3 rows of data. If I give 10 rows of data, then my script will execute for 10 times. Okay, so now first what I'll do is I will try to open this flight application. So to open the flight application, what I write here, system util.run, and then you need to give the path of the application. So I want to give the flight application path. How? Right click, go to properties, go to general and take the location. So this is the location. Okay, so just copy it, paste it here, slash the name of the application here is flight. The name of the application here is flight. So just click on run, select your temporary run results and then click on OK. See, automatically your flight application open, right? So now first let me add all the objects under the test objects here. How? Go to your resources, go to your associate repository, click on this add, and then just double click on this repository one, move your available actions to your associated actions and then click on OK. See, all the objects have been added. Now, first we will try to open the application and then dialog of login. dot win edit of agent name dot what you have to do, you have to set the agent. So set from where you are going to set the agent name, from the data table, and then the name of the column here is what, agent, comma DT global sheet, DT global sheet. Okay, and the next one is password. So dialog of login dot win edit of password dot set data table, and then the name of the column here is password comma DT global sheet. Okay, and then you need to click on OK button. So dialog of login dot win a button of OK dot what you have to do, you have to just go ahead and click on it. So now when you run the program, your script will execute for 3 times because I have given 3 rows of data. So click on run, select your temporary run results, and then click on OK. See, it got stuck. Cannot find the age and name. Everything is right. Dialog of login dot win edit of agent name dot set data table. Oh, okay. Dot set. Oh yeah, it is correct. Data table agent comma DT global sheet. Okay, from the global sheet is going to take the data. Agent name only it has. That's what I have. Okay, some agent name. So agent name is the name of the column here is agent. Double click on B. The name of the column here is password. Okay. And then the password is Mercury. Enter some other agent name here, and then the password is Mercury. Okay. So now system util dot run, and then you need to give the path of the application. So this is the path. Right click, go to properties, go to general. Then this is the location. Slash the name of the application here is flight. Okay, and then dialog of login dot win edit of agent name dot what you have to do, you have to set data table, and then the name of the column here is what, agent comma DT global sheet. Okay, and the next one is dialog of login dot win edit of password dot set data table, and then the name of the column here is password comma DT global sheet, and then you'll click on OK button. So dialog of login, win button of OK. What you have to do, you have to just go ahead and click on. That's it. Yes. It's not taking up the value at all. Cannot find the agent name, object parent, and verify that the matches an object currently displays in your application. Same. I don't know why this happens. I started out opening the application only. Maybe first I opened the flight and then I opened VirtualBox. That's why. Okay, if I stop this one. The code is right. There is no mistake in the code. Let me try in other way. I'll restart QTP. 1 second, guys, okay? So any other questions you have from the previous session? This coding, if you learn once, it is more than enough, guys, okay? Are you trying to practice on your laptops or no? Everyone?
Yeah. Yes.
Please?
Yes, Archana. But when you say it's like very easy, but when we do it, it's like like for one recorded session, it take like more than 1-2 hours for me actually.
It will definitely take.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'm agreed with Yashaswini. It
Yeah,
takes like,
yes,
so I literally open like a 2 computers and I'll do it like
Yeah,
from one.
true, right? I do the same thing.
And
you
what
have
happened, like I was so tired by doing like a pausing the video, so all the recordings, I put them in my personal YouTube videos, so that's why I can easily run on the TV and I work on the computer.
that is the way how people will practice. Everyone will practice in the same way. Okay. On one system, like you open all your application, and then in the other system, like you try to like practice, then only you will get. If within one system, if you wanted to revise, and then like later on if you wanted to practice, that is very, very difficult.
Yes, you're right. It is
Yeah,
difficult.
yeah. I don't know why this is not taking it. Never faced any problem earlier. See, now it took. Did you see that? Earlier, I opened the application and then I ran the program. So that is the reason it was an error. Okay, but the code, everything is right. See, 2 times it got executed. First column value, second second column value. See, row 1, row 2. It got executed. The script got executed for 2 times. So this is, so I have like 2 rows of data here. So my script got executed for 2 times. If I give like 10 rows of data, then my script will execute for 10 times. Okay, so like that. So that is data table. So this is how we are going to get the data from the data table. And the next one is what? From Excel. Okay, from the Excel sheet. So now see here in my virtual box only, I have an Excel sheet available here. So Excel_obj. So this is an Excel sheet. So I would like to connect to this Excel sheet from QTP in a single line of code. I would like to connect to this Excel sheet from QTP in a single line of code. So to connect to this Excel sheet in a single line of code, what we'll do? Set Excel_obj is equal to create object. Create object. What is that? Excel.application dot workbooks dot I would like to open the Excel sheet. Okay, so this is an Excel sheet, right? So how you would go ahead and take the path? Right click, go to properties, go to general, and take the location. So this is the location. So just copy, paste, and then the name of the application is what? Excel_obj. So copy and paste it here. Dot in sheets. Sheet 1. In sheet 1 you have the data. So sheet 1. Okay, and then what is the output? Message box Excel_obj dot cells, that is first row, first column, and then message box Excel_obj dot cells, second row, first column. So run it, select your temporary run results, and then click on OK. See, first row, first column value, click on OK. Now second row, first column value, like that. First row, first column value, and then second row, first column value. So this is how you are going to connect to the Excel sheet and get the data. Next one is Notepad. So in Notepad, we will not use in the real time, not required. And then coming to the database. So will you get any access to the database? Will you get any access to the database? No, we will never get any access to the database. Then how they are going to provide you the data? In the form of an Excel sheet. They are going to provide you the data in the form of an Excel sheet. So if they provide you the data in the form of an Excel sheet, again you will follow the same lines of code to get the data. Okay? Again you will follow this same lines of code to get the data. Okay, so this is all about our QA. And in the next class, I'll be starting with Selenium. So want me to start now or in the next class?
Next one.
Next class?
Yeah.
Yeah, so will you practice until here? Tomorrow I will not take the class. You can practice. Okay, yeah, Yashaswini.
Yes, Archana, I'll do tomorrow and Saturday, Sunday, and I'll get back to you on Monday with some questions.
Exactly, yeah, that is what. Tomorrow you can take a break. Again, we will meet on Monday. I mean like Monday, sorry. Okay.
Okay, Archana.
Yeah, practice until here, revise, like whatever I have taught you, just slowly you revise. After the course is completed also, if ever you have any questions, definitely 100% I will help you out. It is not that the course is completed, I will not help you out. No. Okay. So 100% I will help you out when you are, whenever you are facing any problems after the course is completed, whenever you are practicing. Okay.
Okay, Archana. Thank you.
Yeah. So just revise until here. We will start Selenium on Monday. Okay.
Sure, Archana. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, and have a happy weekend, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys. Bye. Krunal, practice, okay? Don't get panicked. You can. Okay?
Yeah, 100%. I do practice and I do the research
Practice
also
it.
from
If you don't understand, just let me know. Okay?
100%.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Have a good night. Bye.
You too, Archana. Bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone.